Rice cake machine SYP3508 3508 titanium coated mold and safety box separate position, and the alarm lamp will be added on that after test for Argentina. It's a round shape of 35mm diameter and thickness about it's a 10mm diameter. Very nice. Okay, with the temperature 260, with 4 switches and 3 dial controllers, speed 4.7, thickness 50, and depth of 4 is 3.0 as the first setting. And pressure about 150 in black color number on the pressure gauge. After check or set the pressure gauge, you have got to close it to use it longer. Emergency button here. 뭐였어요? 22예요?
22.5.
22초. Okay. And three solenoid valve provide electric signal to the machine. The light is moving for the mold movement. And standard cylinder, and below that the pressure support valve is to have the keep the stable pressure, and triple phase motor and pump, and oil tank and fan. Fan must be on all the time during the machine working. It's white rice and brown rice mix, and it's a feeding plate. There's a proxy sector. When the feeding plate go forward, it turn off, and come back to the end is turn on again. Otherwise, cannot go to the next step. The two springs is the feeding plate go forward, bring back, and the drive motor and gear head, the feeding plate go forward. There's the oil valve, check valve there. And relief valve. The relief valve is related with the pressure control. Insert the related wrench, clockwise, increase pressure, unclockwise, decrease pressure. Motor and oil tank there. Okay, control box here. Inverter, 60 Hz. It's just PP60 is good. SSR to keep the temperature stable. And breaker and contactor. It's relays on PCB. PCB is the brain of this machine. And transformer here. Oil tank, hydraulic 20 liters inside. Okay. Yeah, very nice.
이게 수분을 넣으면 구워질 수 있어.
네, 어떠냐?
수분을 넣으면.
아, 그죠. Higher moisture, like a thicker technique. Alright.